Poka Yoke, a term that may sound unfamiliar to many, is a revolutionary concept that has transformed the landscape of manufacturing, particularly in Japan. Derived from the Japanese words meaning mistake proofing, Poka Yoke is all about preventing errors before they occur. Imagine a world where human mistakes in manufacturing are not just accepted but actively prevented. That's the essence of Poka Yoke, a methodology designed to eliminate defects at the source, ensuring that quality control is not just a reactive measure, but a proactive strategy. The journey of Poka Yoke began in the 1960s with Shija Shingo, a pioneer in quality management. Picture this, workers on an assembly line repeatedly forgetting to include a crucial spring in a switch assembly. These seemingly small oversights led to significant defects in the final product. Shingo recognized that these errors, while human, had far-reaching consequences for both the manufacturer and the customer. Determined to tackle this issue, he introduced a simple yet effective solution, a systematic approach that ensured the springs were prepared and placed in a designated area before assembly. If a spring was missing, it would trigger an alert, prompting workers to rectify the oversight before moving forward. This was the birth of Poka Yoke, a concept that would change the way manufacturing approached quality control. At its core, Poka Yoke is about understanding that while errors are a natural part of any process, preventing them from reaching the end product is crucial. Shingo emphasized that we need to differentiate between acceptable human errors and those that lead to defects. The goal is to integrate fail-safe mechanisms within manufacturing processes to detect and rectify errors promptly. This not only minimizes waste, but also enhances overall efficiency. Now, let's dive deeper into how Poka Yoke operates. There are three primary types of Poka Yoke mechanisms: the contact method, the fixed value method, and the motion step method. The contact method relies on sensory cues, such as shape, size, or color, to detect errors. Imagine a scenario where workers are assembling components, and a sensor alerts them if a piece doesn't fit correctly. This immediate feedback prevents further mistakes, keeping the production line moving smoothly. The fixed value method, on the other hand, sets predetermined parameters. It's like having a checklist that ensures all steps are completed. If a worker misses a step, the system triggers a warning, prompting them to go back and correct the oversight. It's a proactive measure that ensures every task is executed correctly, minimizing the risk of defects. Then there's the motion step method, which verifies the sequence of steps in a manufacturing process. Think of it as a guide that ensures workers follow the prescribed steps accurately. If they deviate from the established sequence, an alert goes off, prompting immediate correction. This method is particularly effective in assembly lines where the order of operations is critical to the final product's integrity. The beauty of Poka Yoke lies in its simplicity and practicality. Shingo believed that error prevention should be straightforward and easily implementable. By incorporating mechanisms that anticipate and prevent mistakes, Poka Yoke enhances product quality, streamlines operations, and ultimately increases efficiency. It's about creating a culture where errors are not just tolerated but actively prevented. Over the years, Poka Yoke has transcended its roots in manufacturing and found applications in various industries, from healthcare to software development. It's a testament to the universal applicability of error-proofing methods. In the automotive industry, for example, Poka Yoke plays a vital role in ensuring that wiring harnesses are assembled correctly. Connectors are designed with unique shapes, allowing them to fit together only in the correct orientation, preventing misconnections. Color-coding wires further enhances this error-proofing approach, ensuring that assembly line workers can easily identify and match components without the risk of mistakes. In the pharmaceutical industry, Poka Yoke systems are crucial in preventing packaging errors. Imagine a blister packaging process where medications are sealed in cavities. Optical sensors can scan each blister pack to verify the presence and alignment of pills before sealing. If a discrepancy is detected, the system triggers an alert, prompting immediate corrective action. This meticulous approach not only ensures regulatory compliance, but also upholds patient safety. The food processing industry also benefits from Poka Yoke systems, particularly in packaging and labeling. With various products processed on the same production line, Poka Yoke mechanisms can be integrated to prevent packaging mix-ups. Color-coding packaging materials specific to each product line aids in visual identification, while optical sensors verify the correct placement of packaging before labeling. This ensures that consumers receive the right products with accurate labeling, enhancing food safety and compliance. Implementing Poka Yoke systems brings forth numerous benefits that significantly impact operational efficiency, quality control, and cost effectiveness. First and foremost, Poka Yoke systems act as a robust barrier against errors. By detecting mistakes before they occur, or correcting them immediately upon detection, the probability of defects in the final product is drastically reduced. This proactive approach enhances overall product quality and ensures that customers receive items that meet stringent quality standards. Moreover, integrating Poka Yoke mechanisms streamlines manufacturing processes, allowing workers to focus on productive tasks rather than rectifying errors. This efficiency gain translates to higher productivity and optimized resource utilization within the manufacturing environment. The cost savings associated with preventing defective products from reaching customers cannot be overstated. Companies can avoid the costs associated with scrapping defective items, rework, or customer returns, ultimately enhancing profitability. Poka Yoke also contributes to a safer working environment by reducing the likelihood of accidents or mishaps resulting from manufacturing errors. Providing workers with error-proofing tools instills confidence in their work, promoting a culture of safety and accountability. This empowerment can significantly impact worker morale and job satisfaction. However, while Poka Yoke systems offer numerous advantages, they are not without their limitations. Implementing these systems often requires an initial investment in technology and training. The complexity of designing and integrating effective error-proofing mechanisms can pose challenges, particularly for smaller businesses. Additionally, there's a risk of over-reliance on technology, leading to complacency among workers. It's essential to strike a balance between utilizing Poka Yoke systems and fostering a culture of critical thinking and problem-solving. Another consideration is the adaptability of Poka Yoke systems to varied processes. While they excel in standardized and repetitive manufacturing environments, applying them to more complex or flexible production settings can be challenging. Regular maintenance and calibration of Poka Yoke systems are crucial to avoid false alarms that can disrupt operations. To design effective Poka Yoke systems, several best practices should be considered. First, it's essential to conduct a thorough analysis of the manufacturing process to identify critical error points. Simplifying and standardizing processes can enhance the effectiveness of error-proofing mechanisms. Engaging frontline workers in the design phase ensures that the systems are practical and user-friendly. Moreover, incorporating visual and sensory cues can facilitate error detection and prevention. Conducting thorough testing and validation of Poka Yoke solutions before full implementation is crucial to their success. Finally, fostering a culture of continuous improvement allows organizations to refine their error-proofing mechanisms over time. Training employees to embrace and utilize Poka Yoke effectively is pivotal in ensuring successful implementation. Developing comprehensive training programs that contextualize the principles of Poka Yoke to specific workplace scenarios is essential. Engaging employees and fostering ownership of error prevention initiatives can lead to a more proactive approach to quality control. In conclusion, Poka Yoke is more than just a manufacturing concept. It's a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of error prevention in achieving quality and efficiency. By integrating simple yet effective mechanisms into manufacturing processes, organizations can minimize defects, enhance operational efficiency, and ultimately deliver high-quality products to customers. As we continue to navigate the complexities of modern manufacturing, embracing the principles of Poka Yoke will undoubtedly lead to a more productive and error-free future.